Well, today's recipe is for days when you want to quickly rustle up a recipe and run out of your kitchens. The recipe is summery, breezy, citrusy, loosely inspired from the Thai curry that we all know of. This one is coconut lime tofu curry. For this curry, it's very simple. I'm going to make a curry paste and then I'm going to start cooking it. But what's important for you to know and notice is I'm using 3 different notes of lemon. I'm of course using lemongrass. I'm using a very fresh, zesty lemon in the form of a juice and also maybe the zest a little later and Kaffir lime. So 3 very different notes of lemon. Let's move in. For the paste, let's begin with dried red chilies. Along with this, some bird's eye chili, depending on the spice that you prefer. Coriander stem, lemongrass, some sliced shallots, couple of cloves of garlic, couple of leaves, kaffir lime. Let's cover this and grind this into a fine paste. Let's have a quick check. Our paste, nice and smooth, is done and ready. Without the flame on, let's add in the curry paste. And you'd also notice at this point, there's no oil required as such. To this, let's add in the coconut milk. Because like I said, this is loosely inspired from the Thai curry. And now, let's light the flame. Let's start mixing this together so that this almost becomes lump-free. Now, to accentuate the flavors, I'm going to add in the seasonings. Now, in this case, I'm going to add in soy sauce, I'm going to add in salt and lump sugar. Now, in case you cannot lay your hands on lump sugar, jaggery can also do its job, but otherwise, sugar also kind of works well. Some zest. Let's not overdo the zest because the chances this may turn bitter. And with this now, let's squeeze in some fresh lime. Now, because this is prominently a coconut lime curry, lime in this case is going to be a little more than regular. Start adding in the seasoning, beginning with soy sauce, some lump sugar, and salt as required. A quick stir and allow all of this to now blend well. Time to slide in pieces of tofu. Let's stir in a couple of kaffir lime leaves. And now let's gently allow this to poach for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. While this is simmering, let's now heat some oil on another burner and fry in some shallots. Once the onions are just about to turn golden brown in color, let's add in a smidgen of the curry paste that we just made. Stir it like so and add this on top of the simmering curry. Allow this to continue simmering for 30 seconds and with this, of course, the flame. Finally, let's add in some toasted sesame seeds and along with this, some spring greens. Flavorful, absolutely. With this, our absolutely stunning summer special coconut lime tofu is done and ready with wonderful notes of lime, lemon, lemongrass of course. Make this for your family, make this for your friends and ensure you let me know in the comment section what you feel about this wonderfully flavored and unique curry only and only for you. This is me, Varun, signing off. Bye for now.